Welcome to another video of virtual tours at Conestoga. Utilizing our powerful virtual tour website, I will be walking us through some impressive places that you will be visiting regularly as a student at Conestoga. Please sit back and enjoy the tour. The Doon Campus houses many state-of-the-art labs and learning environments, each of which is specialized to the program area and discipline you are studying. We have CNC Machine Shops, woodworking labs, respiratory therapy labs, early childhood education classrooms, and more. Now, I won't be able to cover all these amazing environments in this video, but I'm going to walk us through some of the ones that we love. Whenever I think about labs at Conestoga, I think about our TV Studio Lab. In this lab, students can apply their theoretical learning and hone their skills. A key element to the work completed in the TV studio is teamwork. Teamwork is an essential skill for those looking to work with production crews in a TV, film, or independent production environment. The studio produces an acclaimed Broadcast Educators Association of Canada award-winning show, Conestoga Connected, which airs on Rogers TV. Did you know you can also take a 3D guided tour of the TV Studio Lab using another powerful tool? The link for this 3D guided tour is in the description of this video. Now that you've had a taste of technology and digital media, I'd like to change gears to show you our incredible CNC Machining Shop. CNC stands for Computerized Numerical Control. This basically means you tell a computer how to manipulate a material. The shop, for the suite of programs within the machining trade, offers students the opportunity to apply their knowledge and skills and complete core program projects. It includes a variety of makes and models of machines that are used within the industry and allows students to become skilled in working on various equipment. The shop is equipped with CNC machines, machines that use wire cutting technology, and machines that are also Wi-Fi enabled. The last place that I want to direct our tour to is the ECE Classroom. ECE stands for Early Childhood Education. Education is the key word there. These labs are set up to simulate a learning environment that our students would work in after they graduate from Conestoga. The Development Center provides children with experiences that foster their sense of curiosity and explore through observation and documentation. Conestoga programs are inspired by a belief that children are capable learners who are guided and supported by educators. That's it for this episode. Please feel free to browse the rest of our YouTube channel for more important things about Conestoga College.